Yeah, you got that part too. Number 10. Buia and tain aib wine leshin na nachred katagan.
Something about the cat.
Okay, it's a cat. Might even be able to figure out part of what's involved with the cat. They had no cat, right? They had no cat. Okay. Okay, that works good for now. 11. Vi oring kat a oil or isacht. It's feck oil. Feck oil. Yeah. Ensign oil. Yeah.
We had a cat.
Okay. It's alright.
His face.
Was something the cat?
Okay. We'll go. You probably don't know the rest of the words, but part of it you might have been able to get. But okay, number 12. Harla gorev kat egen vili paschi.
The cat ate the children?
The cat ate the children, no. Okay. There are children in it, though. Okay.
But there were two. I saw a cat and I saw children. It's a logical conclusion.
Okay. That's probably as far as we're going to beat this one. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to page 2, and we're going to go through the text in English now. First of all, the word for mouse is loch, and loch, and the mice, nalocha. Nalocha. Okay. And the other word we had is the name of this book is Turimi. So Anturim is the opinion, Anturim, and the opinion's Naturimi. So those are two common ways in Irish to make a plural. You put an A at the end of the word, or you put an I fada at the end of the word. So, okay, not the only ways you do it, but two of them. All right. So number 1, Nura Harlín Shaditcha, Janin tu Iracht, Echinja Fuirun, Marbian Naira Ort. So we'll come back to the main sentence in a second. So first of all, Nura Harlín She, when it happens, Ditcha to you. The word Harla is happen. So what you're going to probably hear it the most often is Kad a Harla, what happened? Kad a Harla. It's a good little phrase to know. Kad a Harla, and then you can explain what happened. Okay? Now you want to say, come in here? Okay. Good.
Do you care if I take some pictures?
Go ahead. Okay. All right. So what we have here is Tarlín she go means it happens that. Okay. Tarlín she go. Tarlín means happens. She is it. Go is that. Okay. So it happens that he is here now. Tarlín she go will she and shoanish. Tarlín she go will she and shoanish. Okay, and this goes along very well to what we covered last week in using the word go. Okay, so Tarlín she go will she and shoanish. Okay, and the word go combines with ta to become go will. Okay, and that was one of the things we did last week. Tarlín she go will. Okay, and that is the combination that is. Okay, so does anyone have any idea if you have your sheets? You might want to pull out your sheets from last week if you have them. Is anyone have an idea how you'd say it happens that he isn't here now?
Nach will she.
Tarlín she. Tarlín she. Nach will she. Okay. So even though we didn't really, we didn't use Tarlín last week, but the go we worked with, and it works the same as the other things we did last week. Okay?
Why are you aspirating Harlín? Because it's relative, or because it's past tense, or what?
In Tarlín?
You're a Harlín.
Oh, well, after ah.
Oh, after okay.
Yeah. Okay. So Tarlín she go will she and shoanish, or Tarlín she nach will she and shoanish. That means it happens that he isn't here now. So, okay, someone calls on the phone is asking for someone. You can say Tarlín she nach will she and shoanish. It happens that he isn't here now. Now, how do you think, if you want to guess how you would say it happens that he was here yesterday? Yeah. Parliinche golrevche. Ansho inye. Okay? So, let me pull out actually the one from last week. I don't have it. Okay. We ran out of them last week, didn't we? Okay. Parliinche golrevche ansho inye. So it happens that he was here yesterday. Okay? And likewise, if you want to say it happens he wasn't here yesterday. Anyone? Nachrev.
How come? Okay, that Gorev, that's the past tense.
Yeah.
But Gorebahaga, what's that, subjunctive?
That's
present?
subjunctive present. Yeah. Okay.
Or past,
Yeah.
past subjunctive or?
It's present subjunctive.
present subjunctive?
Okay. So. So.
Sorry.
All right. Let's go through this a little bit more. Very important. Okay. We had a sentence. Let's do a simpler one. Ha she che. It is warm. Ha she che. Okay. Maybe we should do a better one. Okay. Ta she fur. Okay. Ta she fur. Okay. Now, one of the things we did yesterday is we talked about saying, not yesterday, last week, I know that it is, or I think that it is called Shilam Gowil Shifur. Okay? So Ta Shefur, it is called. Shilam is, I think, that it is called. And when you say, I think that it is called, the go changes the ta to a will. So go will is means that is. Okay? Most words don't change that much, okay? So the ones that do, you just have to kind of learn them. So, and you see will show up all the time with ta. Like we ask a question, is something unwill. Okay? Go will, that is. So shilam, I think, go will shafur, that it is called. Okay? So shilam, the word shilam, think something, takes a go after it. I think that. Okay, when you're telling someone what you think, I think that. Okay? Now, another word that does that. Kapim also means I think. You'll see that one. Kapim govil shifur. I think that it is called. Okay? Tasagam govil shifur. I know it is called. So tasagam means I know. Tasagam go, I know that. And then you say whatever it is. Tasagam govil shifur. Okay? And another one that we had today is Parlian she go will shifur. It happens that it is called. Parlian she go shifur. Okay? And there's going to be other things as we go on learning Irish that take a go after them. And then whenever you say, I think that, I know that, you're going to use will after it. So Parlian she go shifur, Tasagam go shifur, Kapim go shifur, Shilam go shifur. Okay? Now, I'm not going to go through everything we did last week, okay, but we'll kind of bring them up as we see them. Let's just do a few going around here. So how would we, actually we'll just do as a group. How would you say then, I think that it is hot?
Kapim go che.
Okay, Shilam go che. How about, I think that he's at home?
Shilim Gobulshe Satya.
Yeah, Shilam Gawilche Sawalya, actually, Sawalya.
Somalia.
Yeah.
Oh, that house.
Yeah, Sachach means I think he's in the house.
Open house.
Yeah, the difference, Shilam Gawosha Sachach means I think he's in the house. Shilam Gawosha Sawalya, I think he's at home.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So how about I think she's sick. First